Imagine a car that turns every drive into an experience. Where luxury meets performance and cutting-edge tech keeps you safe. That's the 2026 Mazda CX-30. From its jaw-dropping design to its turbocharged power, this compact SUV is redefining the game. Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. Exterior. A masterpiece on wheels. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. Up front, sleek LED headlights and an aggressive black grille scream sophistication. The muscular side profile flows into a rear end with dynamic LED taillights, a dual exhaust and a sporty spoiler. Every angle is pure automotive art. Interior. Luxury meets tech. Open the door and you're greeted by premium leather, handcrafted stitching and a driver-focused cockpit. The floating touchscreen and ambient lighting create a vibe that's both futuristic and cozy. At night, it feels like piloting a high-tech spaceship, but way more comfortable. Performance. Turbo-charged thrills. Under the hood lies Mazda's 2.5-litre Sky Active G Turbo, 250 horsepower and 434 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 6.5 seconds means this SUV moves like a sports car. The 8-speed automatic shifts like butter, while the iActive AWD and G-vectoring control keep you glued to the road, rain or shine. Safety. Mazda's iActive Sense. Mazda didn't skimp on safety. Adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alerts come standard. Drive with confidence, knowing the CX-30's got your back. Pricing and availability. Expect the 2026 CX-30 to hit US dealers late 2025, starting around $28,000, climbing to $35,000 for loaded trims. For the luxury, performance, and tech you get, that's a steal. So, is the 2026 Mazda CX-30 the ultimate compact SUV? With its killer looks, luxury interior, turbo power, and top-tier safety, it's hard to argue otherwise. What do you think? Drop a comment below.